Hey funXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful, unique and fancy flower pot. So it's very easy to make, guys. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so over here I'll take this plastic bottle right here. So as you can see, this is the shape of the bottle. Now what I'll do is that I'll just take my cutter and I'll cut this part. So make sure you use adult supervision and then just take off this part completely. Once you're done doing that, as you can see, this is the other side of the bottle which I'll be cutting too. And I'll just use my blade and I'll cut it out. Once I'm done cutting these two sides, this is the kind of look I get. Now what I'll do is that I'll take these two cardboard cutouts. So first one is a brown cardboard, then I'll cover it with a white card paper or a white paper. So it's your choice. Now what you'll do is that you'll start painting this bottle with skin color fabric or acrylic paint from the inside. So once you're doing that, as you can see, this is what kind of look you get. So you can paint it on both the sides you want, but make sure you paint it on the inner side first and then go for the outer one. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like after it's painted. Now what I'll do is that, as you can see, once it's get dried, now what I'll do is that after I keep it, I'll just start making this facial expressions, which are basically eyes and the lips. So you don't have to make any nose because it can look more beautiful without that over here. So you have to just start making the eyes first. So over here I'm going for the closed eyes effect, and you can also use any kind of facial expressions you want to make. Then I'll just use my tiniest brush and I'll make the eyelashes as well. Okay, so once the one eyes is completed, I'll just repeat the same thing on the other one as well. So once I'm done doing that, now what I'll do is that I'll make the eyebrows as well. Okay, so once the eyebrows are now completed, I'll make the lips as well, and you can make, of course, smiley face or a serious face, any kind of face you want. So I'm making this very calm and silent face over here. Okay, so once I'm done painting the lips, I'll use my glitter golden dust and I'll just dab it upon the eyes for this beautiful eyeshadow. So after I'm done doing that, I'll take the cardboard and I'll place it over here on the bottom side and stick it properly. Once it's done, I'll take this beautiful fur sheet, and it's basically a fabric covered with lots of fur. So I'll just use this and stick it over here just to close it. Okay, so now I'll just place this fur fabric over here onto the cardboard. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take this silver foam sheet and I'll make a cutout of circle and stick it over here. So once it's done, now I'll just take this artificial flowers and I'll just decorate it over here on top of this. And this is a very cute and fancy way to decorate your vase and make it your own. So guys, this is it. This was the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you get a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.